Hey guys, this is Ivan from Parsec, and today let's discuss how to get all Uniswap pairs using Parsec Tsunami API. So to do that, let's go to our docs, parsec.net docs. We will be using our get events endpoint because we'll be monitoring pair created events. And let's go to getting started page to see the example that I'll walk you through. So to run the requests, I'll be using Postman right here. You can run them from your own software or in any other way you like. So to get all Uniswap pairs, we will be monitoring Uniswap factory contract, and we will be taking a look at pair created events. So first of all, let's take a look at the contract on Uniswap on Etherscan. So as you can see, it has some create pair events here. They look like this. Let's take a look at the logs. We can see the name of the event, the topic 0 that specifies the type of the event, and also token 0 and token 1, which are the tokens of the pair and the address of the pair. In case you need just one pair, it's okay to use Etherscan, but in case you need more, you will need to use API, for instance, Parsec API. And let's do that. So let's go to Postman. We will be taking a look at the following parameters. So we will be using events endpoint. First of all, we need to specify that we are using Tsunami API. The next thing here is the number of the chain, and you can find all the numbers of the chain right here. And the next thing is that we'll be using version 2, and the endpoint that we're interested in is events endpoint. After that, we'll need to specify the parameters. So first of all, it's the block range. We'll be taking a look at the blocks from the first one to the latest. The next thing is the address of the factory smart contract. It's here. And then it's topic 0. We can get it from Etherscan, or we can get it from our docs as well. Let's take a look at the example right here. This is the topic 0 that we're interested in. And then also don't forget to specify your API key. So I have it here. The type is bearer token. To get your API key, you might want to go here, create an account, and copy paste the API key from your account. Now, basically we have everything we need, and let's run this query and take a look at the results. So what do we have here? Obviously we have ID, topic 0, which is the topic 0 of our event. Also we have topic 1 and topic 2 that are the addresses of the tokens. So they have 24 trillion zeros because the API returns the data in the raw format. In case you need process data, you might want to upload the API of the contract or use our SDK, and we'll be covering that in our upcoming videos. So after zeros, we have the address of the first pair. Let's compare it to the one we have here. To compare, we will need to take a look at the same transaction. So let's copy paste the transaction hash and take a look at this transaction on Etherscan. And we'll see that we are talking about the same pair of the tokens, right? And also we will see the same address of the contract of the pair that was created. We can find it right here in log data, also some trillion zeros and some additional data here, since the data is raw. Other than that, I would like to mention that we can filter this stuff not only by the contract, but also by the origin of the transaction. So in case you need, for instance, all the pairs created by a particular wallet, you can find them as well by specifying the origin right here. And you can use this data for your purposes. Basically, that's it for today. Thank you and have a good day.